Man, where does the time go? It's already been 17 days since last update. My name is Jake. This is Becoming a Blockchain Developer, my documenting journey. And last video was day 57. It's now 17 days later, so that's 70 something? 74? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm continuing down Codecademy's front-end engineer career path. I think I'm at like 19% done with the course, which they estimate takes around 350 hours. And so some of the things I learned in this past 3-ish weeks is media queries, which these are specific lines of code you can put in your HTML that make different layouts for different screen sizes. So if you take your browser right now and say you're on YouTube watching this and you shrink your browser window down to the size of a screen, so let's say it's this size, you will see YouTube change. Its layout will change from the navigation might not be big and wide. It'll have the 3 check marks that you typically see. You can click that and get navigation that way. That code that causes that is a media query, and typically there's 3 different types. There's one for phone, one for tablet, and one for desktop. And something else I learned is the point at which you switch is called a breakpoint, and you set that by either a minimum size screen or a maximum size screen. So, fun fact, media queries and breakpoints. I also learned they tell you about designing with mobile in mind first. And the reason why it's not hard to tell is everybody's using their phone for everything most of the time. Like, you're probably watching this right now on your phone, and then you're going to go to Instagram and watch some videos there, and then click a link to a bio that goes to a video on YouTube that way, and then someone will tweet something and read an article in there. So if you're not designing for mobile first and sizing everything to be read on the small screen, long-winded, you're messing up big time. So the idea is typically when you might design a website, you'll start with the big page and then work your way down. So start small with a thin layout designer, and then after you get everything looking good and your code is made for that, you adjust on your way out. Pardon me. The other thing I did is I found out there's games that you can play that teach you as you go. So you'll type in a specific command to shoot the zombie in this case. The game I was playing was called Flexbox Zombies. And so I did that. And I had to make this website as a project for Codecademy. And this took me like 14 hours, which, like, you can see it. It's not tight. But yeah, trying to get some of those boxes inside of the page, like that black border boxes, and make them sized correctly, super pain in the ass. But we got there. And now as of today, I am learning the very first inklings of the grid system, which I guess is a way that people design their website by putting it into grids, 12 columns or 16 columns or 9 columns, something like that. So we'll find out more. That's it for this update. Day 70 something, 17 days past day 57, and this is Becoming a Blockchain Developer. My name is Jake, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.